Hello.
Hello. How
What's
are
your name?
you? I'm Katie. What's your name?
My name is Darsh.
Darsh Tanwar.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from India.
From India. What part of India?
In Maharashtra.
Is that in the north or the south?
Um, like in the middle of the state,
Oh, in the middle.
almost.
Is there a major city near you that maybe I would know?
Yeah, I think so. Mumbai.
Oh,
It's a
Mumbai. You're near Mumbai.
yeah,
Okay. Mumbai, a lot of people speak English, don't they?
yeah. In the many people speak English, many people don't speak, so it's okay.
The- How old are you?
I'm 11.
Oh, you're 11. Okay. So you are in middle school?
Yeah, secondary.
Secondary. Oh, you're in secondary.
Yeah.
Are you on summer break right now?
No. Like here is monsoon going on, so
I had talked to another girl who was 12 years old. She was
yeah.
from India. She was from Tamil Nadu.
Yeah, Tamil Nadu. It's a state
Yeah,
where people speak the language Tamil. It's a
Tamil. Yeah, she
pretty
told
like
me.
it's very confusing language. I don't even understand that.
Really? But she told me that your
Yeah.
vacation every year is in April and May. Is that true?
No, our vacations is in March, I think so. Yeah, in March.
Oh,
Yeah.
in March, just March?
Yeah, just March. The
Ah,
whole like the whole month is just holidays, and then after that we have to go to school continuously except for some holidays like main
oh no.
festivals, and
Yeah.
instead of that nothing else.
Oh, I see that there's a really big festival there in Mumbai every year. In the winter months. What is it called? The really big
uh
one.
the really big one.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's like I think so it will be um no, I don't even remember the name. I think
I'll look it up.
it's yeah, I think it's like the Ganpati festival.
Big holidays in Mumbai. Remember, I saw it before. I'll find it. I'll find it. But
Yeah, that's not a problem. It's like
Diwali.
oh, Diwali. It's a very very big festival. To be honest, it is celebrated in the whole world. To be honest,
Because I didn't understand what it's about.
like it's about like very ancient times. There lived a king who ruled almost like the half of the earth.
Mm-hmm.
He ruled the half of the earth, and the other side was of like the evil, the demons, or I'd say in Hindi we say them rakshas. So you can search
Okay.
that on internet. Like they wanted to rule all over the like the earth and even in the heaven. They already
Okay.
belonged to hell, so it's not a big deal. And yeah, so that like they were starting to like kill humans. They started to kill humans, and then like many big like not theories, many big people which like praise god a lot and have seen them, they went to Lord Vishnu and told that like Ravan, the main leader of the demons, or I say the Rakshas, like very evil, they start complaining about him, and then suddenly
Okay,
yeah,
interesting. Is this part of
the
Hinduism?
like yeah,
Is it part
I
of
think so.
it is it's a Hindu religion?
Yeah, no, I don't think so. Like it is, yeah, it is Hindu religion. Like at that festival, like Russia also celebrates the like uh
Russia.
the festival. Yeah,
Russia.
Diwali. He also
Wow,
yeah,
interesting.
Russia.
What time of year is it? When does it happen?
It's like around November month.
And what do you do to celebrate?
We use firecrackers to like entertain everybody and like light up diyas, or I say like there is a handmade a little cup type thing
Hmm.
which has oil in it. Yeah, I see ghee.
Okay.
What do we say ghee? Just a second. Oh, uh, clarified butter. Okay,
Oh, okay. Oh, ghee,
we use
ghee.
that.
I know what it
Yeah.
is. Ghee is popular now with some people even in the United States. Ghee
Oh, it's
butter.
pretty nice. Like,
Yeah.
yeah, ghee butter. It
Okay.
is like a very uh, it is very sticky, to be honest, not much
Yeah.
like a sticky. It melts pretty fast. It like become very like sticky, sticks together, and then it
Mhm.
melts. So I usually
Do you
put them on
eat
my chapatis and it like.
and chapati? Yeah. Do you eat anything special for Diwali?
Yeah, we do it sweets and many more. Like we make the most famous dishes, and like we make, some people make cake, but we don't make cake. I don't know why we don't make cake, but we don't make cake. So like there are so many things or treats, to be honest, to like count in Diwali. Many people celebrate some different way, many people celebrate some
Yeah.
different way, so it's like a little different one,
I think
not
India
same.
has a huge amount of food variety
Yeah.
than most places in the world, I would say, especially between the different provinces. So, where you are from, you said in the center, do you
Mm.
tend to eat spicy food like in the north?
Yeah.
You do. Do you like
Yeah,
spicy food?
kind of.
More or less.
So because it's very nice to eat something spicy when you think like your mouth is too sweet or sour,
I
or like
agree. I
you are
love
not in,
spicy.
like you don't have interest in any other food instead of having spicy. So like spicy is just a common thing over here. We usually
Yeah, I
eat that.
love that. I love spicy food. Do you know where I'm
It's
living
just
now?
amazing.
Yeah.
No,
Did you see my profile maybe?
no.
Okay, so I'm from the United States, but right now I'm
Oh,
living in Spain, in Madrid. Do
oh,
you know
that's nice.
Spain
Pretty
in
nice.
Europe?
Yeah, I know Spain. Do you
Mhm.
speak Spanish?
I do. Sí, yo hablo español también.
Oh, you do know Spanish.
Mhm.
Like it is very hard to like speak different languages when you are from some different state or country.
Yeah, I think for me, because I speak English, Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese is easier for me
Like
than for
I literally don't understand a single word of French.
well, French and Indian languages are very different
Yeah,
because
it's very
Indians
different.
tend to pronounce things very strongly, and the
Hmm.
French they don't pronounce anything. They don't pronounce. Yeah, they slur
Yeah,
their words together.
yeah.
Mhm.
Like we pronounce things like "Namaste, aap kaise ho?" Like that's not a
Yeah,
thing, but
you
like,
pronounce very strongly your words,
and
and they do
they're
not.
in French. Bonzo, comment tu t'appelles? So
Bonjour, comment tu
yeah,
t'appelles? Yeah, yeah, it's
yeah.
really.
It's really. I don't
So,
even understand much. I
well,
have joined
there.
French classes, so
Oh, well, for example, when someone from India speaks in English, for me, it's easier to understand them than
yeah,
someone who is a French person trying to speak English because you pronounce much more than they do.
yeah. Like it's true. For
Mhm.
us, speaking English is way easier than speaking French or other languages. Like in our own state, if somebody is living in Maharashtra and somebody is living in like Telugu or Tamil Nadu, they won't understand a single word of Tamil Nadu. Like I have a friend that can speak Hindi,
Mhm.
English, and like he has a language called Malayalam, which is
Mhm.
like he only understand the thing what are they saying. I don't understand anything. So, and yeah, writing Malayalam,
How many languages do you
I don't
Sorry, how
know
many
how.
languages do you speak?
Me, I speak Hindi,
Yeah, you.
English, a little bit of French, a little bit of Russian, and yeah, and Haryanvi.
Haryanvi.
Yeah.
Is that a language native to your province?
No, actually, it's not an international language for some kind. It is just a state language. So
Hmm,
I think you will find it on the web, like if you
probably.
search Haryanvi. So
For me,
you will like get.
it's crazy how many languages are in India. Do you know exactly how many languages are in India?
Actually, I don't know how many languages are in India.
Hmm.
Like I can search on the web right now and just know how many languages
I
do
think
they
it's a
have in
lot.
India. Yeah, it's a lot. It's like so many languages,
Yeah,
like you
I
can't
get,
even understand.
I've noticed because all of the Indians I've spoken with have told me
Yeah,
I speak Tamil, Hindu, blah blah.
yeah,
It's
like there are a lot of people that speak different kind of language. If you like notice something, the
mm,
south side they will have different pronunciation of English, and the north side they will have different pronunciation of English, and like the other sides, because like the tongue and the fluency of speaking are even different with everyone. So
mm,
I think like India has 22 languages officially
mm.
separated, and like in home like there are 121 languages, and in mother tongue there are 270, right?
Oh, it's too many. That's too
Yeah.
many. That's too many. But you
Like
speak
I
English. You speak English very, very well. Do you go to a special school?
no, I'm just in an English
You,
medium school, and like when I usually like speak English I just keep on speaking. So my friend tell me Angrezi man.
no,
Like you can get.
it seems like you really enjoy learning English.
Yeah, I do like learning English because it's very fun to like speak different language. I literally forgot, like I just don't remember the grammar.
Oh, I understand completely. I speak Spanish, but grammar sometimes is awful.
Yeah, it's true.
Speaking, but then I am
Yeah,
writing.
I'm also better at speaking, not like I can write and speak English, but at the same time, I can't write Hindi or learn grammar of Hindi, but I can speak Hindi.
Well, see, there you go. But I think that your speaking skills are more valuable than your
Yeah,
writing
like
skills.
the grammar or writing skills.
For example, in the future, if you have an interview
Yeah,
for a job, you definitely will do very well because
yeah.
it won't matter if your grammar is
like
not that great writing an email. If they can hear you and see that you speak really well,
like
that's
you could
enough.
just download Grammarly and it will just help you.
Yeah, you can use Google Translate. I don't know.
It's
Exactly.
like in my TV when I usually watch YouTube, the ad comes Grammarly.
Oh
You have
yeah,
heard
yeah.
that?
I get the ads for them too.
Yeah, Grammarly will help you in your emails and many more.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
I don't use my computer too much for instead of playing video games, so
Ah,
I
you
don't
like video
use that.
games.
Oh, you do like video games.
Yeah,
What kind of.
I don't really like video games, but you speak a lot of English on your video games with the other players?
No, actually, I play Minecraft, which is like a open
Mm.
free world game
I can
when
tell you're
you.
speaking to Americans because you say actually, because we say that a lot. We're like actually.
Like okay,
Yeah,
then
like
I
actually
usually like.
no. All right, the last 5 seconds. If you want
Yeah,
to talk again, please book with me reservation. I'll send you a
yeah,
message.
okay. Bye
That was a
bye.
great conversation.